And seen Tara in the kiosk to get that ticket because we need to get the stub before you can get on board. But who's excited?
Woo!
All right, there's about 50 of you, and I know you can do better. So who's excited? Woo! That's awesome, amazing. All the good, enthusiastic crew aboard the Cup of this here today. Before we get started on some safety features, I just need to go over who you're with today. So we're going to introduce the crew. So our Captain Jerry's in the pilot house right now. Give him a wave. There he is. Jennifer, she's going to be modeling for us today how to put on the keyhole life jacket. My name is Eric. Amy is down here on the gangway, and of course I mentioned Tara is in the kiosk. And as I said, before we get going in and out on the mountain water, we just need to make sure you know how to put these life jackets on, where they're located, and how the life rafts work. I'll get through all of that, okay? In case of emergency, these life jackets are located behind the pilot house.
It is.
Oh.
It's my GoPro.
Do you have a blog or something?
I do.
Oh.
Travel with Doc Amy. With who? Doc, D-O-C, yeah. Amy. We have the same name. We have good names.
Yeah. And your favorite color is purple, is it?
Can you tell?
There is a bit of a
Is
drop.
it really? That's so crazy.
Bit of a drop there at the end, so just be careful.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
ER.
Oh, good. Good to know.
What's funny is her name's Amy and purple's her favorite color, and literally I'm.
When you go to Quiddy Bitty, they have beautiful purple
That's
t-shirts.
it. That's what. Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah. He bought one and I bought one. They're beautiful purple t-shirts.
Okay, I'm going there.
Like better,
This color?
like but different, but nice.
Okay, I'm gonna get one of those. Yeah, anytime there's a purple thing at work, if it's a pen, they're like, "Is this yours?" I'm like, "Yeah." It's like whatever it is, it's purple, it's mine. All right, we're getting ready to go. We are on board with Iceberg Quest out of St. John's. It's a beautiful day. Sadly, Mark is golfing. Poor Mark. And we are getting ready to go. These gentlemen back here is Marty and Roy. They're from New York. We met them on the ferry and just happened to catch back up with them. So that's cool. All right.
Marty does that too. My mother used to do that.
Which is just like, I'm like,
I go to him. They don't care.
they don't care, come on. I took my sister to Hawaii and she was like, "Oh, sorry." I'm like, you don't have to tell them you're sorry. You do like, does it?
Yeah, some places you go, like, you don't get people to open the door for you.
Oh no, or they close it right in your face.
I hate to say this, but this is wrong, I know, but I always thought mother did right.
Exactly, see? Their mother or father, there we go.
Well, I've had a woman who's like, what do you think I'm weak? I can't open my own door? I'm like, I was just helping. I hold it for men too. I'm like,
Exactly. Oh yeah.
I do get annoyed when people don't hold doors.
I agree.
What does it hurt?
Alright, we're leaving the harbor. This is St. John's. We just got the
You would open the door. Like,
Iceberg Quest tour right there. And this is St. John's Harbor.
we have a good friend, Amy, and she's always going, would you find her a replacement? Are you? So we take like a big like,
Oh, you should.
here's your replacement, and her name is Amy, and she's a doctor, and she runs the block.
That's fun. That'd be funny. Oh, look at that. That's cool. I don't know what that is.
This, you
The-
see, this star left out right there, the big one with the flag flying, 60 million.
Oh, really? Okay, I was like, that would be fun to rent just by yourself and take it out for the day.
It was recently refitted.
Really?
Are you planning on being Screech Day?
I might, yeah.
Okay. What was this place? Linda's? It was on TV. Linda's? I don't know where it is. We're gonna have to find out. But you know, you're supposed to kiss the cod.
Yeah.
Well, there you kiss the cod, but she also has a stuffed duck, like a taxidermy, that you have to kiss its ass.
Okay.
And she dresses dresses up like she dresses up like a fairy godmother, and you put in these crazy heads. That's called Linda's.
Okay.
So we're gonna do that.
That makes more fun than
maybe we should do it together.
We should.
I wonder where because that was in Halifax a few days ago.
This one?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's kind of hot.
Away we go.
Oh, Lukey's boat is painted green, aha, me boys. Lukey's boat is painted green, the prettiest boat you ever seen, aha, me riddle-I-day.
Ah, Lukey's boat got a fine for cuddy, aha, me boys. Lukey's boat got a fine for cuddy, and every seam is chinked with putty, aha, me boys, riddle-I-day.
Oh, Lukey's boat got high top sails, aha, me boys. Lukey's boat got high top sails, she was planked with copper nails, aha, me riddle-I-day. I think, says Lukey, I'll make her bigger, aha, me boys. I think, says Lukey, I'll make her bigger, I'll load her down with a one-claw jigger, aha, me riddle-I-day.
And now, said Lukey, get aboard your grub, aha, me boys. Now, says Lukey, get aboard your grub, one split pea and a 10-pound tub, aha, me boys, a riddle-I-day.
Now Lukey's rolling out his grub, aha, me boys. Now Lukey's rolling out his grub, a barrel and a bag and a 10-pound tub, aha, me riddle-I-day.
Well, Lukey's coming round the bill, aha, me boys. Lukey's coming round the bill, he spied his true love on the hill, aha, me boys, a riddle-I-day. Oh, Lukey's coming round the cape, aha, me boys. Lukey's coming round the cape, he spied old Jenny on the flake, aha, me boys, a riddle-I-day.
Aha, says Lukey, the blinds are down, aha, me boys. Aha, says Lukey, the blinds are down, me wife is dead and she's underground, aha, me boys, a riddle-I-day.
Aha, said Lukey, I don't care, aha, me boys. Aha, says Lukey, I don't care, I'll get me another in the spring of the year, aha, me riddle-I-day.
Oh, Lukey's boat is painted green, aha, me boys. Oh, Lukey's boat is painted green, the prettiest boat you ever seen, aha, me riddle-I-day.
We're your new friends forever! We're never going to get rid of them.
I know where to go if I need unique lights for my room. Oh, is that pig or clear? Oh, wow.
Easternmost point in all of North America. The only thing east is Ireland.
That's right, that's where the sunrise first.
Liverpool, more times we're bound for Spain. Heave away, me jollies, heave away. But now we're bound for St. Johnstown to see the girls a dancing. Heave away, me jolly boys, we're all bound away. I wrote me love a letter, I was on the Jenny Lind. Heave away, me jollies, heave away. I wrote me love a letter and I signed it with a ring. Heave away, me jolly boys, we're all bound away. So farewell, Nancy, darling, for it's now I'm going to leave you. Heave away, me jollies, heave away. You promised that you marry me, but how you did deceive me. Heave away, me jolly boys, we're all bound away. Sometimes we're bound for Liverpool, more times we're bound for Spain. Heave away, me jollies, heave away. But now we're bound for St. Johnstown to see the girls a dancing. Heave away, me jolly boys, we're all bound away. Come get your duds in order, for we're bound to leave tomorrow. Heave away, me jollies, heave away. Come get your duds in order, for we're bound to cross the water. Heave away, me jolly boys, we're all bound away. Heave away, me jolly boys, we're all bound away. Heave away, me jolly boys, we're all bound away.
People are out at their houses, and I go, "Is this normal?" They go, "We've never seen one here." I'm like,
Oh, really? That was the first one?
It was, yeah, well, it was like right near Burlington.
So you think, okay, you got to go to the wilderness to see the moose, and
no.
it's like, no, we just need to go to a residential. Exactly.
You had to go like an hour all the way past Iceberg.
Yeah, exactly. That's it. All right, we've arrived back at St. John's Harbor. All right, this is St. John's Water Street. Mark is still golfing. I just went on a tour with Iceberg Quest. We hadn't seen icebergs. It's not really iceberg season, but we saw the whales. So now I'm looking for something to eat, because I think Mark's going to be a while. Oh, sorry. And I might go in here. This is Rocket Bakery and Fresh Food.
I left Toronto City on a train eastward bound, headed for Newfoundland and my old hometown. I fell asleep in a coach car as the rain was pouring down. I'm going home to marry me a new figure. When I woke up in that old coach car, the sun was shining through. I had a vision, love, I thought that I saw you. You were standing right in front of me, you set my heart a whirl. I'm going home to marry me a new figure. Well, I changed trains in Montreal, heading down Nova Scotia way, to get the William Carson to take me across the bay. I was so happy, I heard myself say, I'm going home to marry me a new figure. Sydney, I think I'll have a beer. I can see the William Carson tied up at the pier. I'll have to save $5 to pay the man my fare. I'm going home to marry me a new figure. Well, I guess around about midnight when we got underway, I figured on 6 hours to take me across the bay. And then I went down in the lounge, passed the time away. I'm going home to marry me a new figure. sure went fast. When I walked on the deck, I could see old Port of Basque. And I heard someone say to me, we'll soon be home at last. I'm going home to marry me a Newfie girl. Faster as I stepped the Newfoundland soil, I felt the glow all over as I broke into a smile. I know the trip's not over.